Installing new windows in your Rayne home is one of the most rewarding improvements you can make. Not only do windows boost curb appeal, but they also play a big role in energy efficiency, comfort, and security. However, the installation process is where many homeowners run into costly mistakes. Avoiding these pitfalls will ensure your windows look great, perform properly, and last for decades. Choosing the wrong window size. One of the most common mistakes homeowners make is not double-checking measurements before ordering windows. Even a small error can leave gaps that cause drafts, water leaks, and structural stress. Relying on rough estimates or assuming your current windows are a standard size can lead to wasted time and money. Always measure carefully, or better yet, have a professional take precise measurements tailored to your Rayne home. Ignoring the local climate. Rayne's humid subtropical climate means windows must handle heavy rain, heat, and occasional storms. Choosing windows that aren't suited for this environment, such as single-pane glass or frames that warp in moisture, can reduce efficiency and longevity. Homeowners often focus on style over function, but considering factors like double or triple glazing, low E coatings, and moisture-resistant frames can make a big difference in performance. Skipping proper preparation. A smooth installation starts with preparation. Too often, homeowners overlook details like clearing the work area, removing old caulking, or checking for water damage around the frame. Installing a new window over rotting wood or uneven openings leads to poor sealing and potential structural issues. Take the time to prep the area thoroughly, or hire professionals who won't cut corners. Using the wrong materials. Cutting costs by using low-quality sealants, insulation, or fasteners is a recipe for trouble. Caulk that isn't designed for exterior use can crack and fail under rain's changing weather, leading to leaks. Similarly, poor quality insulation can allow air and moisture infiltration. Investing in the right materials may cost a little more upfront but saves you from expensive repairs later. Poor insulation and sealing. Even perfectly fitted windows won't perform well if gaps aren't sealed correctly. One of the biggest mistakes is underestimating the importance of insulation around the frame. Skipping spray foam or improperly applying caulk can let drafts, humidity, and pests into your home. This not only drives up energy bills but also shortens the lifespan of your windows. DIY without experience. While it's tempting to attempt window installation as a DIY project, it's not as straightforward as it may appear. Proper installation requires specialized tools, precision, and knowledge of local building codes. A common mistake is underestimating the complexity of the job, which often results in misaligned frames, stuck sashes, or safety risks. For most Rayne homeowners, hiring a professional is the smarter investment. Forgetting about ventilation and operation. A window isn't just for light and views, it should also function smoothly for ventilation and safety. Many homeowners focus only on appearance and forget to test whether the window opens, closes, and locks properly after installation. Neglecting this step can mean living with a window that looks good but fails to serve its purpose. Not accounting for maintenance. Different window materials have different maintenance needs. Wood, for example, may look classic but requires regular painting or sealing in Rayne's humid conditions. Vinyl or fiberglass options require less upkeep but may not fit every design preference. Ignoring long-term maintenance needs during installation planning can lead to frustration and extra costs down the road. Overlooking energy efficiency features. Energy-efficient windows may come at a slightly higher cost, but overlooking them is a mistake that affects comfort and bills year after year. Many Rayne homeowners fail to consider Energy Star-rated options or low E glass, missing out on reduced heat transfer and UV protection. Smart window choices pay off in long-term savings and greater indoor comfort. Final thoughts. Window installation is a significant investment for Rayne homeowners, but avoiding common mistakes makes all the difference. Accurate measurements, climate-appropriate choices, proper preparation, and professional installation ensure that your windows enhance both your home's beauty and performance. By planning carefully and focusing on quality, you'll enjoy long-lasting results and peace of mind.